Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing, back with another brand new product from Noble for the BRZ and the GR86. These are actually some wide angle mirrors, and they are tinted blue to help with some of the reflections and that sort of thing. They look really nice. It's a pretty simple install. You don't need any tools, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So we're gonna start over here on the driver's side or the left side mirror first. And it's pretty simple. Like I said, no tools required. Nothing fancy. We're just gonna have to be a little bit careful here. So if you want to keep your factory mirrors around for a while and you don't want to just destroy them, just be a little bit careful here. If you pull on it too hard in one spot, it could break. So I'm gonna actually fold this mirror out just a little bit here, and then I'm gonna push this in as far as it will go, like that. I'm gonna take my hand behind the mirror and try to evenly distribute pressure and pop it out. You're gonna see your defroster clip in there. If you don't have defrosters, it's fine. You're gonna have clips for the defroster on your new mirror as well. But if you don't have that, it's okay. It's not gonna, harm anything. But they are built into this new one. So here's our new wide angle. So real quickly, I just want to show you guys the difference in the mirror. Here you can see the factory mirror, and then here is the Noble mirror. You can see quite a difference there in your depth of field and how wide this thing is. You're really gonna be able to see those blind spots. So if I look at that bumper, I mean, you can just see so much more with the Noble mirror. And then it does have that blue film, so you guys can see it does effectively help that light scatter and the brightness of the light. You can see that it doesn't really scatter that light around as much, and it's not quite as bright and in your face. Now we can take our new mirror, we can plug it in, same as the factory one came out. And now we can line this thing up. There's gonna be some clips in there. You'll see where they line up at. When you're looking at the motor on the mirror, you can see that there is 4 little slits on the outside of this circle, and that's where these tabs are going to pop into. So line that up with the first tab and then line up the rest and just push in. I would apply all of your force directly to the center. It doesn't need to be a lot, but there you can see it's snapped into place. Our wide angle mirror is installed. Simple as that. Well guys, that is it for the install of the Noble wide angle mirrors for the BRZ and the GR86. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find a set of these for yourself, and we'll see you guys in the next video.